What is Thunderbird? Thunderbird is a steel roller coaster located at Holiday World in Santa Claus, Indiana, USA. The ride opened to the public as the first launched wing coaster in America, accelerating guests from 0 to 97 km per hour in 3.5 seconds. On top of this, it became the first LSM-launch coaster constructed by Swiss roller coaster manufacturer Bolliger and Mabillard. The attraction itself debuted on the 25th of April 2015 at the cost of $22 million. Interestingly, Thunderbird is themed to just that, the legend of the mythical Thunderbird creature. The ride's story is set in 1620, involving the Mayflower, the English ship that transported the first pilgrims to America. As they neared the end of their journey, a mighty storm struck. The ship was capsized, taking it hundreds of miles off course. As all was lost, a huge bird appeared from the sky. The Thunderbird, a creature whose wings created thunder and eyes flashed lightning, rescued the ship, launching it through the sky towards the new world. It is this experience that the ride aims to recreate. As guests walk up to the attraction, they are greeted by a farm-like setting. The ride's station building resembles a large barn, while several outbuildings can be seen scattered around the area. Once guests have traversed the queue line, they board one of 2 ride vehicles, each of which seat 20 guests in 5 rows of 4. As the train seat visitors over the sides of the track, each row is separated into 2 groups of 2. At this point, riders move forwards and enter a showroom. A screen of mist is blown in front of the train while guests hear the sound of thunder, all before launching directly out of the station. The trains emerge from the barn and accelerate towards the first inversion, a 43-meter tall Newman. Riders slowly navigate the top of the element and plummet towards Thunderbird's second inversion, a vertical loop. The trains then climb above one of the park's other roller coasters, the Voyage, before traversing an overbank turn followed by a sweeping descent. Guests complete a similar leftward-facing element, leading to yet another inversion, a zero-G roll. The trains navigate a banked S-hill, plough through a broken barn, and traverse an upward 270-degree helix. This leads riders directly into the fourth and final inversion, an inline twist which takes place through the top of the barn structure. At this point, the ride experience comes to an end as the trains enter the final brake run. Throughout the exciting flight, guests navigate a total of 925 meters of track in approximately 46 seconds of ride time. Because of this, the attraction has a theoretical capacity of roughly 1,140 riders per hour. Despite Thunderbird being Bolliger and Mabillard's first LSM-launch coaster, the ride is actually the company's second launched attraction. In 1999, the Swiss manufacturer debuted the Incredible Hulk at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure, their first launch coaster utilizing a tire propulsion system. Interestingly, however, the Hulk's launch wasn't built by Bolliger and Mabillard themselves, leading Thunderbird to become the company's first ever launch coaster to be constructed entirely in-house. Because of this, the ride is quite unique. Many claim it to be the world's best wing coaster due to its fantastic launch and relatively intense layout. On top of this, the attraction has showcased B&M's ability to construct launched variations of their well-known models, leading to the question, would you like to see more launched Bolliger and Mabillard roller coasters in the future? What's your opinion?